Hey guys, T here. Today we're going to make some trim for these windows, and we're going to do something I like to do, which is let's make something out of nothing. Here's some old pallet wood I've got. I'm going to make the trim out of that, and see if we can't make it look pretty good too. So please subscribe if you will. Hit the bell for notification, and a real shout out to you guys who have subscribed and who watch faithfully. Boy, I appreciate it. I couldn't do this without you. So thanks a lot. Let's get going. So here's what we're going to do. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of pallet wood and a top of pallet wood. So that's 5 pieces. And maybe we'll put a little strip in here as a little accent. I'm not quite sure yet. And you know, this stuff has got all kinds of nail holes and stuff in it. We're going to try to do something with those that are a little decorative too. And I'll show you that as we go along. There's our 2 top pieces cut out for the pointed section. We're going to find 21 inches that will be pretty clean, and then but we're going to cut the yards later. So here are our uprights. Here are our tops and bottoms. And here are 2 little pieces that we're going to make our little peak with. And we're going to put all this together with some biscuits. are our frames that are glued up. We got to figure something to do here in all these nail holes, somewhere, everywhere. So we're going to try to figure that out and make that look a little better. And we're going to go from here. So I think I've got a solution for these unsightly holes here. I'm going to put a square dowel in each one. And let's see, I think we're going to leave it a little proud of the surface and see if that's not a good decorative kind of thing. I don't know, let's see. We're going to use our chisel mortise machine and let's get to it. So here's some of the details. Well, not horrible. Well, here's one of our trim windows. Well, not bad for a project that was, let's make something out of nothing. So I'm pretty pleased. These little dowels kind of helped out. It gave a decorative approach, and they got rid of the big nail holes that were the problem. So if you guys would subscribe, I would appreciate it. Hit the bell for notification for my next video. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you guys real soon.